Right here, there's a dumped car. It's his steering wheel. Don't know what car it used to be. Where's the foot turbo? There's another car dump there. Bloody hell. And then you come over here. Making more of it. There's loads more of it. I think it just keeps going down and down because walk around here, there's more of it there. See? Goes all the way over there. And I don't know how much of this I'm allowed to walk on. Holy hell. Oh, damn. This is sketchy and weird. It goes off even more. Alright, it goes off more down there. What is that? This is literally where they would have kept the pigs in it. There's no registration plate. Oh, it's a Nissan! It's a Nissan, isn't it? It's a Nissan. Is it a Nissan Sunny? Old Nissan Micro? I don't know. To be fair, I could just walk through that bike. They've definitely been burning stuff. It's definitely used as a sesh pit. Oh, hello. That's quite big, isn't it? Mr. Weeds. Wonder if I can. And that's where it goes off to. Well, not really anything in this one. I can go in and have a quick look, but yeah, it just goes all through that way. So what sort of car would that have been? Because I think that is a car. Yeah, it does look like it's all in there. Yeah, because there's the suspension come through. Look at this. So cool. Oh my god, it's plankton. Ooh, big tank. There's more of it out here.
Yeah, there is that one as well.
Is there? Oh damn. Don't it? It goes really far. What's this? Oh, so is it just like a walkway? Yeah. Into that one. And then obviously that way. I'm not going down there, I'm just going to video quick. Come through there. Takes you more into there. Don't know what was here, but it's more of it. And there's a structure there. But yeah, more of it in there. All this here. There's a bed here. Bit creepy. Furniture here. Also creepy. Oh, a trough there. Another chair. Creepy. Ah, what is this? Not very much in there. So I was over there. I decided to come through him just to see what's over. Oh, smashed up bits. Fuck knows how strong this wall is. Yeah. There's a door down there. Might have been for that truck. Oh. Yeah. Ain't gonna get much further than this. I think we've just about been there anyway. Whew. Nothing really in this one. Just want to have a quick look though. See that there? Also just found this. Whoa, right in my face. Another one. God damn, it's so low. You're kidding, there's more. Pipes. What is that? Don't know. Look at it! I thought it was a lookout tower at one point, but I think it's just a water tower that's up in there. Walking through the jungle, like what? Like what? Walking through the jungle. We have already been in this one, haven't we?
Yeah.
You sure? Should have done, yeah. Oh yeah, because we came out there, didn't we? You can tell it's been here a while because it's literally got a tree growing out of it. That's an old bottle, I don't know what that is, but there's an old bottle down there. So the thing that I found was this, Ribena Spring. And it's still, I hope that ain't piss. If that's piss, ew. But that's so old. Still see the gear knob. Put my flash on to get more into the speedo. Whoa. Then got a little old light. I don't have a habit of climbing on stuff. Oh, I'm trying to get into it. That windy window. Please tell me it still works. No. It does, but... Anything in the glove box? No. There's nothing in the glove box. The steering wheel is still moving.
And the tyres are. The wheels, I mean.
Wait, the wheels are still moving as well?
A little bit.
Sure.
You were looking at it. Do you see a moving side?
No.
No.
I was looking under it, look at that. There's a little gear knob. You got the speedo. It's a real shame that, isn't it? Also, we found this bottle a minute ago and we don't know what sort of bottle this is, so someone could tell us if they know. We know it's an old bottle as well. She's attempting to get inside it. I would have done, but I freaked out a little bit. Okay. Beth got in it, so I'm getting in it. Oh, oh my god. Freaky. Gear don't want to work. It's so old that even this is so thin and twists. This with a seatbelt. That's frozen.
I know, it doesn't open at all.
Oh.
Got out of bed and what I did.
Oh look! I just noticed something. Look at the window adjuster there. This would have been on there. Yeah. Oh, sorry, that's sick. It's saying there's no reg on it, so I would have done a reg check. Push the door back. There you go. Back to how we found it. So, it's a 1.6 GL. I don't know if you can see over there. If I could get it zoomed in more. Don't know what that is. But that's the make and model of it. There's no number plate, sadly. But yeah. I did try my best.